everybody, this is right here at Parkside Kia. Today we have a pearl white 2022 Turbo Soul. It's going to give you 201 horsepower, 195 foot-pounds of torque, and it is equipped with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. This is a blast. For those of you who want to have fun but need practicality, this is the perfect vehicle for you. We're going to be showing you around, so stay tuned. Everybody, this being a 22 Soul, it is equipped with a brand new key. As of last year, we actually added the remote start to the Soul. This is the first year that the Turbo actually gets it. Hit it a lock, hold the remote start button. She's gonna start right up with you. This is equipped with lane keep assist, blind spot, and keyless entry. It does have many more. We're gonna show you inside here shortly, all right? All right, y'all. Now, this being a Turbo Soul, the really nice thing about this is it is going to be equipped with the 7-speed dual clutch and the 1.6 turbo 4-cylinder that is put in our GT Forte, but also coming into the Soul, keeping that same nice, aggressive, and fun, sporty look. You're going to add your dual pipe center exit exhaust. You are going to get some pops and crackles with your sport mode equipped in this. Now, you can see with the lift gate open, you have plenty of room out the back. It is built in with a 8-speaker Harman Kardon sound system and plenty of storage under. You do have your rear cargo cover in case you need any privacy. After that, we're heading inside and we'll show you a little bit more. All right, y'all, we're inside the 22 Kia Soul Turbo Edition. The beautiful thing about this vehicle on the inside, you are gonna have your flat bottom steering wheel, continuing with that sportiness. Your aluminum paddle shifters here for that 7-speed dual clutch transmission. But across the board in here, you're gonna have a little bit more bolstering with this Syntex leather material, cloth inches in the middle. You're not gonna be sweating too much, but you are gonna have your push button start, your aluminum floor pedals. You're gonna have the 10.25 display directly pulled out of our Kia Telluride. This is actually gonna have our 2 profiles memorizing your temperature, your SiriusXM preset stations, as well as your heated seat temperature as well. So really nice in here. You're also gonna go ahead and go back to a little bit of a James Bond. Click a button, you're gonna have a beautiful heads-up display pop up out of the middle of nowhere. In here, full sunroof up there as well. And as you can see around here in the cup holders and on the floorboards, you do have an ambient lighting sound. Like I said earlier, all these lights do go to that 8-speaker Harman Kardon sound system. If you want to go in here and play with that, you have a full sound lamp, play whatever song you want, and it'll go to the beat of the music. It's a pleasure seeing you guys again. See y'all soon. We'll have a couple more reviews coming your way. Y'all take care.